माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति महोदया जी,
माननीय सदस्यगण, प्लीज आप लोग प्लीज बैठिए। माननीय सदस्यगण, कई माननीय सदस्यों द्वारा विभिन्न विषयों पर स्थगन प्रस्ताव की सूचनाएं प्राप्त हुई हैं। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी ने स्थगन प्रस्ताव की किसी भी सूचना के लिए अनुमति प्रदान नहीं की है। सभा पटल पर रखने जाने वाले पत्र आइटम नंबर 2, माननीय मंत्री श्री गजेंद्र सिंह शेखावत जी।
Honorable Chair, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 2 in today's list of business.
Item number 3, माननीय मंत्री श्री जयंत चौधरी जी।
Honorable Chair, with your kind permission, I rise to lay papers mentioned against my name at serial number 3 of today's list of business on the floor of the House.
Item number 4, माननीय मंत्री श्री पंकज चौधरी जी।
माननीय सभापति जी, आज की कार्यसूची में मेरे नाम के सामने क्रम संख्या 4 पर वर्णित कागजात आपकी अनुमति से सदन के पटल पर रखता हूँ।
आइटम नंबर 5, माननीय मंत्री श्री कीर्तिवर्धन सिंह जी।
I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers pertaining to the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change as mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in today's list of business. Thank you, madam.
आइटम नंबर 6, माननीय मंत्री श्री सुकांत मजूमदार जी।
Honorable Chair, with your kind permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 6 in today's list of business.
आइटम नंबर 7, माननीय मंत्री श्री तोखन साहू जी।
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आपकी अनुमति से मैं आज की कार्यसूची में क्रम संख्या 7 पर मेरे नाम के समक्ष सूचीबद्ध कागजातों की एक प्रति हिंदी व अंग्रेजी सभा पटल पर रखता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
आइटम नंबर 8, माननीय महासचिव जी।
Madam, I have to report a message received from Rajya Sabha regarding election of 2 members to the Joint Committee on Officers of Profit.
आइटम नंबर 9, माननीय सदस्य श्री बी मेहताब जी।
Madam, I rise to present a copy each of the following reports, Hindi and English version of the Standing Committee of Finance. The 37th report on action taken on the subject evolving role of Competition Commission of India in the economy, particularly the digital landscape of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 39th report on action taken on the subject performance review of the National Statistical Commission of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. 39th report on action taken by the government on demand for grants 26-27 pertaining to Department of Revenue. 48th report on action taken by the government in the 31st report of the Standing Committee of Finance on demand for grants of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. 41st report on action taken contained in the 34th report of Standing Committee on Finance on demand for grants 26-27 of the Ministry of Planning, and 42nd report on action taken by the government on the observation recommendation contained in 35th report of Standing Committee on Finance on demand for grants 26-27 of the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Thank you, madam.
आइटम नंबर 10, माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर C.M. रमेश जी।
Wish to present the following reports, Hindi and English version, the Standing Committee on Railways 2025-26. 9th report on action taken by the government on the observation recommendations contained in the 6th report of the Standing Committee on Railways, 18th Lok Sabha, on the subject increasing freight-related earnings of Indian Railways and development of dedicated freight corridor. 10th report on action taken by the government on the observation recommendations contained in the English report 8th report in the Standing Committee on Railways on Demands Grants 2026-27 of the Ministry of Railways. Thank you.
आइटम नंबर 11 माननीय सदस्य डॉक्टर C.M. रमेश जी।
Madam, I wish to read a statement, English and Hindi version, showing the further action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in Chapter 1 of the 7th report of the Standing Committee on Railways on action taken by the government on the observation recommendations contained in 4th report of the Standing Committee on Railways on the subject construction and maintenance on rail tunnels and bridges, including road over bridges, road under bridges. Thank you, madam.
आइटम नंबर 12 माननीय सदस्य श्री मंगुटा श्रीनिवासुलु रेड्डी जी।
Honorable Chair, I rise to present the 11th report on action taken by the government on the recommendations contained in the 7th report of the Standing Committee on Housing and Urban Affairs 2025-26 on the subject review of Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation AMRUT with special emphasis on urban drinking water of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Hindi and English versions listed against my name in today's list of business, madam.
आइटम नंबर 13 माननीय सदस्य श्री P.C. मोहन जी।
Madam, I rise to present a copy each of 21st, 22nd and 23rd and 24th reports, Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Social Justice and Empowerment 2025 and 26 as listed against my name, serial number 13 in today's list of business.
आइटम नंबर 14 माननीय श्री हर्ष मल्होत्रा जी।
Respected Chairperson Ma'am, with your permission, I rise to make a statement regarding the action taken on the recommendations contained in the 31st report of the Standing Committee on Finance on demands for grant 2026-27 pertaining to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
आइटम नंबर 15 माननीय मंत्री श्री अर्जुन राम मेघवाल जी।
Honorable Chairperson Ma'am, with your